to Nature Kids at McLib. Today, we're going to go to the edge of the yard because it's a big day at the farm and I want you to get to see it. All right? But first, I've got a question for you. Did you eat your breakfast? You should eat your breakfast every day. I ate my breakfast. Let me see, I had an egg and I had some fresh fruit. I like fruit. And then I had some grass seed. And you didn't eat any grass seed for breakfast? Are you sure? Let's go find out. Let me show you what I mean. Now here's the wheat field. We've been talking about different kinds of plants that give us food. Wheat is a grass that's grown for its seed. And then we take the seed, and when it's dry, we grind it up, and that makes flour. And so that's how you make bread and lots of other things. So how do you know if it's ripe or not? Well, it's brown. That means it's getting ready. It starts out green, then it turns brown. But you notice how some of them curl over, like this one? You see that? When they point like that, then they're ready. Let's see what we get. So here I've got a wheat head. That's what they call that top part that has the seed. This is the seed head. And if you look, each one of these, we crumble it open. And inside there will be a seed. Put it in the palm of my hand so you can see it. Can you see that right there? That is a wheat seed. Now it takes thousands and thousands and millions of seed just like that to make the bread that you buy in the store or the flour that your mom or dad cooks with. Make cupcakes and Twinkies, you know, all that good stuff. Well, the farmer will be along and he will harvest all of this wheat, and then the seed will be taken up to the granary, and it will be sold to the people who make the flour, and then to the people who make the Twinkies. And now you know where bread comes from. I hear the tractor. Here he comes. He's harvesting the wheat. Wow, that's a big machine. Look at all that dust he's kicking up. That's the leftover part of the wheat that we don't use. No seed in that. Let's watch him put the wheat inside the hopper. Here it goes. See how they follow alongside each other? Well, look here. Looks like Mr. Farmer missed a little bit. But that's okay. We leave a little extra behind for our friends in nature. That red-winged blackbird, he loves to eat the wheat seed. He'll set up on this straw and he'll eat any seed he finds. And the bobwhite quail, they're going to be looking on the ground. They're looking for seed to eat too. And what about the little field mice? A mouse has got to eat. So we always leave a little extra behind for the animals. It's nice to share. So kids, you got to see the big combine. You got to see the wheat come in. I hope you had fun today. Well, I want to encourage you, check out the website, www.naturechristian.com. You'll find books and videos and lots of fun programs this summer. Check it out. Take care, kids. Later.